வெல்கம் டு அவர் சேனல் ஸ்டூடெண்ட் ஸ்டேஷன். இது வரைக்கும் நம்ம சேனலை சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணாதவங்க ப்ளீஸ் சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்கள். இந்த வீடியோவில் 8th ஸ்டாண்டர்ட் சோஷியல் ஜியாகிரஃபி யூனிட் 6 இண்டஸ்ட்ரீஸ் லெசனோட புக் பேக் எக்ஸசைஸ் பார்க்கலாம். Turn to the page 137. Roman number 1, choose the correct answer. First one, silk weaving and household industries come under the category of. Answer is A option, small scale industry. Second, on the basis of ownership, the industry can be divided into 4 types. Option C, 4 is the answer. 3, Amul dairy industry is best example of dash sector. C option, cooperative sector is the answer. C option is the answer. Turn to the page 138. Fourth one, iron and steel and cement industries are the examples of dash industries. Answer is B option, mineral based industries. Fifth one, tertiary activity is divided into 2. Answer is C option, 2 is the answer. Roman number 2, fill in the blanks. First one, banking is a dash economic activity. Answer is tertiary. Banking is a tertiary economic activity. Second one, tertiary activity is divided into quaternary and quinary is the answer. Third one, government decision making process comes under the dash category of tertiary economic activity. Answer is quinary. Fourth, raw material based perspective cotton textile industry is a dash industry. Answer is agro based industry. Fifth, capital required for establishing a large scale industry is more than 1 crore. Answer is 1 crore. Moving to Roman number 3, match the following. First one, judicial sector, quinary activity. Second, TV telecast, quaternary activity. Third, geographical factor, raw materials. Fourth, capital, non-geographical factor. Fifth, Bajaj Auto, private sector. Then moving to Roman number 4, distinguish between. First one, secondary economic activity and tertiary economic activity. Distinguish between நம்ம எப்படி எழுதுவோம், tabular column போட்டுக்கோங்க. So secondary economic activity and tertiary economic activity. Page number 133. Turn to the page 133. Secondary economic activity la first point வந்து இந்த changesக்கு முன்னாடி it ஆட் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. It changes raw materials into usable products through processing and manufacturing. First point எழுதிட்டு second point example bakery. So first secondary economic activity la it ன்னு எழுதிட்டு it changes அதில் இருந்து manufacturing வரைக்கும் first point, then example bakery. Then tertiary economic activity la இந்த provideக்கு முன்னாடி it provided essential services and support the industries to function. First point. Second point example education. Then second, agro-based and marine-based industries. Page number 135. Turn to the page 135. Agro-based industries இருக்கு இல்லையா, அதில் first point வந்து agro-based. These industries use plant and animal-based products as their raw materials. First point. Second point, example food processing. So these industries-லேருந்து materials வரைக்கும் first point. Then example food processing. Then marine-based industries-ல these industries use products from the sea and oceans as raw materials. First point. Then example processed seafood. Example எழுதிட்டு processed seafood. Fourth Roman letter second la first point and second point. Then third one, large scale industries and small scale industries. Page number 136. Turn to the page 136. Large scale industry. The capital required for the establishment of an industry is more than 1 crore. The industry is called as large scale industry. The first point. Then example iron and steel. Then small scale industries. The capital required for the establishment of an industry is less than 1 crore. The industry is called as small scale industry. The first point. Then example silk weaving. Second point is silk weaving. So first point இங்க இருந்து industry வரைக்கும் எழுதணும். Then second point example. Large scale the capital இருந்த industry first point. Then example iron and steel 2 points. Then moving to Roman number 5, answer briefly. First one, define industry. Page number 132. Industry இருக்கு இல்லையா, அது கீழே industry is a process by which the raw materials are changed into finished products. Roman number 5th first one answer. Then second one, what is mean by economic activity? Page number 132. Economic activity கீழே 3 lines இருக்கு இல்லையா, any action that involves in the production, distribution, consumption or services is an economic activity. 5th Roman letter second one answer. Then third one, name the major economic activities. Page number 132. Major economic activities: primary economic activities, secondary economic activities, tertiary economic activities. 4th Roman letter third one answer. So first and the 3 points அப்படியே எழுதணும். 4th Roman letter third one answer. Fourth one, what is quinary activity? Elucidate with an example. Page number 133. Quinary activity. Quinary economic activities refer to the higher level decision making processes by executives in industries, business, education and government. 5th Roman letter 4th one answer. The 4 lines. Elucidate with example னு கொடுத்திருக்கிறதுனால turn பண்ணிக்கோங்க. இங்கே example போட்டு council of ministers take decision to introduce various people welfare schemes in the state. So council of ministerலேருந்து இந்த state வரைக்கும். Then fifth one, name the factors responsible for the location of industries. Page number 134. Factors responsible for location of industries இருக்கு இல்லையா, அதில் third lineல raw materialsலேருந்து ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணி raw materials, land, water, labor, capital, power, transport and market. 5th Roman letter 6th one answer. Sixth one, write a short note on the following: large scale industries, small scale industries. Page number 136. See, large scale industries already நம்ம distinguish mark பண்ண மாதிரி large scale industries எழுதிட்டு the capital இருந்து industry வரைக்கும் எழுதிட்டு example iron and steel. Then small scale industries, the capital required for the அதில் இருந்து எழுதிட்டு 4th lineல industry வரைக்கும் example silk weaving. Roman number 5th 7th one answer. So large scale இருந்து industry example iron and steel ஒரு example எழுதுனா போதும். Small scale the capital required இருந்து industry வரைக்கும் example silk weaving. 5th Roman letter 7th one answer. Sorry, Roman number 5th 6th answer. Then move on to Roman number 6, answer in paragraph. First one, classify and explain the industries based on the source of raw materials. Page number 135. Based on raw materials சொல்லிருக்காங்க இல்லையா, on the basis of raw materials. First one, agro-based industries. Agro-based industriesல these industriesலேருந்து இந்த materials example ஒரு example எழுதுனா போதும், food processing. Then second, mineral-based industriesல இந்த 3 lines raw materials வரைக்கும் எழுதிட்டு example cement. இது Roman number 6th first one answer. Roman number 6th first agro-based industries, food processing example, then mineral-based industries. These are the industries that use mineral ores as their raw materials, example cement. Then marine-based industries. These industries use products from the sea and oceans as raw materials, examples processed seafood. Then forest-based industries. These industries use forest products as their raw materials, example pulp and paper. So in the 4 points, 6th Roman letter first வந்து இந்த 3 lines, then mineral based 3 lines example, then marine based 3 lines example, forest based 2 lines and with example. Roman number 6th first one answer. Then Roman number 6 second one, explain the geographical factors which affect the location of industries. Page number 134. Affects the location of industries. First geographical factors இருக்கு இல்லையா, geographical factors. First raw material bulky goods and weight அந்த 3 lines distance வரைக்கும். Then so industriesலேருந்து place of availability, raw material இந்த 5 points 5 lines எழுதுனா போதும். bulky goods and weight losing materials, cannot be transported for long distances, so industries are located near the place of availability. First, raw material. Next, power is base and essential to run the entire industry. Then labor, adile power le these sources must be located near the industries to fulfill its power requirement. Then labor, the three lines appadi. Transport la availability la irundhu start panni location of industry varaikum stop pannikonga. Availability of easy transportation always influences the location of an industry. Then storage and warehousing, அதில் fourth லைனில் finished products should be stored at suitable storage or warehouse till the goods are taken into the market. Then sixth, topography, the two lines, first two lines flat வரைக்கும். climate third லைனில் extreme climateல இருந்து industrial growth வரைக்கும். Then water resources, availability of water resources, water is another important factor that influences the industrial location வர. So sixth Roman letter, second la first raw material, first three lines, then two lines. Power la irundhu entire industry, then right side la these sources la irundhu requirement varakum. Then labor, these three lines. Transport, availability la irundhu start panni location of an industry. Storage and warehousing la finished products la irundhu market vara. Topography, first two lines. climate la third line la extreme climate la irundhu industrial growth vara. Water resources la availability of water la irundhu industrial location. Sixth Roman letter, second one answer. Then third one, classify the industries through a flow chart. Page number 136. இந்த flow chart அப்படியே வரையணும். Roman number 6th la third one kana answer. Classify the flow chart, industries flow chart அது 6th Roman letter detail third one answer. இந்த வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு யூஸ்ஃபுல்லாக இருந்தால் லைக் பண்ணுங்கள், ஷேர் பண்ணுங்கள், மறக்காமல் சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்கள். Thank you for your support. Thanks for watching.